Yeah, hi, morning Mandy. It's Mark from FMAV. Just to let you know that I've got your jukebox laser. I've done a repair and it's fully working as it should be. I'll just give you the... I worked on it last night for you. So yeah, it's all good. I'll be sending that back to you today. Basically what I did do, again yours was quite dirty as well. I've cleaned all them cogs out as well from bad grease and stuff, re-lubricated them, checked the switch, micro switch on that, it's all good. Checked the motors and yeah, there's no errors there. We just replaced the laser. We tested it before we put the laser in, obviously. The laser was faulty, so we've replaced that for you, giving it a good clean up for you, so you should hopefully have many more years of fun. We got 6-month warranty on it for you, parts and labour. All we asked is if you did get any problems you can send it back, just pay for the postage and we do it. So yeah, please leave feedback on eBay as it helps others like yourselves to get a fairly decent deal and get your laser back to you ASAP for Christmas. Thank you very much and have a great Christmas. Thank you. Let me just turn it up for you, sorry. So, all working. Thank you very much, Amanda. Have a great day.